Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. Today I'm in a Brabus Smart ForTwo and we have added an Apple CarPlay stereo. A Brabus.
Brabus.
A Brabus. We're in a Brabus or a Brabus, however you choose to pronounce it. And in this vehicle, the customer wasn't very happy with the stereo system in it, and we've installed our Pioneer EVO64 radio, which brings wireless Apple CarPlay, which Connor has just connected up there.
Although I haven't quite moved the icons from the left to the right yet, I will do that after this video is done.
But you get a nice, get all your maps, music, messaging off the screen, much better connectivity to the stereo. A system which is it's easier to use and gives you everything you need while driving, like DAB radio, Google Maps, Waze, and have good quality phone calls. And it's just generally a reliable system, the Pioneer. Beforehand, this customer had a Chinese system which just wasn't doing a very good job. This car actually has the factory JBL sound system, which we've retained, and also steering wheel controls. Even if the customer had a factory reverse camera, we would also keep that working too. But
factory USB as well, by the way. We're not factory USB, we've actually removed the USB-A and then flushed the Pioneer USB-C into the original position, just so it keeps it as factory as possible, rather than having an extra additional USB port.
But yeah, that's a very brief look at the wireless Apple CarPlay Pioneer EVO64 DAB. If you like the look of this, it looks very nice and flush, I have to say. This is a special fitting kit for it. Do get in contact with us and we can work out a price for you. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye. Ciao, ciao.